Hey, Big Mike from Let's Ride Motorcycle Repair. Had a couple discussions here recently about getting services done on your motorcycle and whether they have to be done by a certified mechanic or not. Most of the time, no. They don't have to be done by a certified mechanic. Most people like to take them to a certified mechanic merely because they have the word certified. Everybody can make mistakes. Everybody can do a good job if trained properly. So when you're taking your motorcycle and choosing a place to take your motorcycle, it doesn't necessarily have to be a certified mechanic. Most of the certification processes are kind of a joke. Now, don't get me wrong, people that go down to school for like the MMT, those guys there, they know their stuff, and when they come out, they have a vast knowledge of motorcycles and engines. Much like when I graduated college, I graduated from the University of Illinois in Springfield with a bachelor's in business administration. However, I had a vast knowledge of business whenever I walked across the stage. The Great Recession took place, and I got a job at T-Mobile as a customer service rep. So that certification didn't do me very well. And so the certification that you have in the motorcycle realm, it shows us a length of knowledge, and it shows that you can work on motorcycles and do certain maintenance servicing items on motorcycles. The bad thing is that a lot of times that certified adjective gets thrown around pretty loosely, and you really just get the low man on the totem pole that goes in there and just checks over everything and washes the bike and says it's done. Not saying that everybody's lying, not saying that everybody is certified mechanic is throwing you under the bus or anything, or that I'm better than them. The thing that I do is that my name is on every one of these bikes that I work on, and my name I do not throw around lightly. So I know what's right, I know what's wrong, and I know that honesty goes a very long way, especially when you're on two wheels. I don't want you to come back to your house after I have worked on it in 5 pieces. I want you to come home one piece and tell everybody about your ride. So when you're going to get your bike serviced, definitely look into where you're taking it, what they say their qualifications are, and see what's going on. Word of mouth is usually the best way to go about where you're going to take it. Like I said, nobody's perfect. People will make mistakes. We just need to minimize those mistakes. We need you to check them, as Hillbilly says. If they say that they changed it, well, let's have a looky and see if you're telling the truth. So check them out. Make sure that you're getting what you are being told you're paying for, and make sure that you are satisfied with the work.